Aw, man. Yep.
The following is a special marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Gary to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 8:15 p.m. or 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:09 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm capable of producing strong winds to nearly 50 knots and large hail 9 nautical miles north of Gary, moving northeast at 25 knots. This severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Michigan from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City, Indiana 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 6:30 p.m. Lake Michigan from Winthrop Harbor to Wilmette Harbor, Illinois 5 nautical miles offshore to Mid-Lake around 7 o'clock p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Thursday morning or 2 o'clock a.m. Thursday morning for northeastern Illinois and northwest Indiana.